Bioprinting means that you're using living cells with the material, usually bio-ink. And for an example, if you are printing biomaterials without living cells, that doesn't mean that it's bioprinting. It's just a traditional 3D printing. So the main difference with bioprinting is that you are actually using living cells with the bio-ink. I think bioprinting is important in the future, for example, for the human spare parts, because that's the only way that you can create something living. Of course, you will just place those biomaterials and cells in the three-dimensional form, and usually put it afterwards to a bioreactor or something like that. So let the natures do the rest. So you place the components in the right place, and afterwards you let the nature do the rest and build some kind of organs or tissues for different purposes, for both human spare parts, but also for the drug testing and development purposes. I think the main challenge for scaling this kind of tissues is the core process itself. So if the manufacturing of this tissue is really difficult, of course the scaling is also really difficult. And another very important aspect is this regulation part. So it needs to fulfill the regulations from top to down, including the medical device itself, which is the human spare part that will be placed into the patient, and going down to the manufacturing environments and manufacturing technologies and the materials. So everything needs to be fulfilling the medical device regulations in the end, which is in some cases quite challenging when you are using biological stuff like human cells. Main thing is that it's safe for patient. So that's the key for the regulations. So it needs to be the human spare parts or the things that we use with human treatments that needs to be safe. So that's the key with the regulations. And everything that we use, materials, cells, processes, environment needs to fulfill that the end product is safe. So that's the key.